So what are the kind of things you would put in a comfort kit for? I mean, I know one thing obviously comes to mind, but what would you guys use?
Yeah, definitely. The toiletries are important, which I'm sure is what you were getting at. But yeah, I mean, just you probably want some non-perishable food in there for one, just to make sure that you've got something at the site that you can use to kind of sustain yourself. I don't know that this necessarily, maybe this is separate from your comfort kit, but definitely water as well. Keep water on site. Ideally, your site's not going to be in a situation where it gets below freezing and the water will freeze, but there are solutions to that as well. Yeah, just things like towels, things like stuff to clean your hands, things to yeah, I think for instance, I mean the kit that they show here is actually a pretty good start.